Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. When using compressed gas cylinders for Oxy-Fuel operations, it is important to understand cylinder withdrawal capabilities. Fuel gas withdrawal limitations describe the maximum amount of gas that can be withdrawn per hour in relation to the volume of the cylinder, and is calculated based on the type of gas and tip being used. There are four main types of gases that are used in Oxy-Fuel operations, including acetylene, propane, natural gas, and propylene. Each has their own unique characteristics and advantages or disadvantages depending on the application. Each gas choice also varies regarding its temperature at neutral flame, mixing ratio with oxygen, heat output measured by BTUs, and burning rate. Alternate fuels can also have cylinder withdrawal limitations, but some of the hazards associated with acetylene do not exist. Knowing your system's fuel withdrawal capabilities can prevent you from using the incorrect tip and cylinder size combination, which can cause tip starvation. Proper flow of fuel cools the tip as it flows through, so lack of flow can cause the tip to overheat. If acetylene is your fuel gas of choice, it's important to understand cylinder withdrawal capabilities and the consequences of improper usage, as the general rule dictates that an acetylene cylinder can only deliver a maximum of 1/7 its volume capacity per hour. Here's an example of how to calculate the minimum sized cylinder that's necessary to support the tip being used. Let's say you're using a heating tip that requires 50 cubic feet of acetylene gas per hour. Simply multiply 50 times 7 to find the total 350 cubic feet. The result represents the minimum sized cylinder with necessary gas volume you need to support the tip. Fuel gas withdrawal limitations for alternate fuels vary more based on temperature and cylinder size. For example, if I have a 100-pound cylinder and it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit, I could conservatively estimate that it would supply about 62 CFH of propane. If I need more than that, I would either need to manifold multiple cylinders together or get a larger cylinder. Because of this, when using alternate fuels, there is a recommended amount of cylinders section on the tip chart that correlates with the tip being used. In some cases, larger tips may require manifolding cylinders to have the proper gas flow to support the tips. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations for the gas supply needed to support the tip. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos in our How-To video series to learn how to safely and effectively operate Oxy-Fuel equipment.